Yo, what's up, beautiful people? I just woke up. You can see my eyes are still sleeping. How are you doing, guys? Hope you slept well. And for those people who wake up already, we are in different parts of this world. Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team Brian. If you've not subscribed, kindly do it by clicking on that red subscribe button. So today is another beautiful morning, and I'm like, okay, I do go to gym of recent. Yeah, I was going to gym long time ago and I stopped, and of recently again I started less like a month ago because for some people like us who add weight very fast, you have to really keep tracking your weight and keeping fit by going to the gym. So I was like, okay, let me just do this content. I can show you like how much you pay for a gym and how gyms look like in Qatar, because people really think gym is expensive. So to explain it, I will explain it before the end of this video. So my gym is not far from where I stay. It's just a walking distance, like 5 minutes walk from where I stay. So I believe you're going to enjoy this video. Kindly stay tuned by clicking on that red subscribe button. Like our videos, comment down in the comment section, and I'm going to show you a lot, guys. So it's a beautiful morning here in Atma. It looks pretty well like Kenya, the flats, the apartments, There is a car moving, you have to be careful. So you can see it looks really beautiful. And this is the way to my where I go to the gym. You can see it looks really beautiful. I never thought like it's so beautiful in the morning in Qatar. And one thing I always tell you, and I told this in my previous video, Qatar is really clean in the streets. Why? Because every morning and evening there's some people who sweep the street, literally sweeping. I hope I'm going to find one and you see that what I'm saying is true. Where the government, where the system works, you see, it's really clean. These are the streets where people live. People clean, literally cleaning, like you're cleaning your compound. Somebody or some people being hired, they clean the street. That's why you see like the street is clean. You cannot see litter down. Very little litter. Very little. And this one is not cleaned. You will pass here and clean the street, and they put in the garbage bins here. So you can see really, it's really very beautiful. And I'm going. So mostly it's morning time and people are going to work, some rush. We don't have like a public service here like Nissans. People normally use the big bus, and the taxis and all those. So guys, I'm in the gym right now, and what I just showed you in the cardio, where you do cardio, that is running, cycling, and all those. You understand? For those who understand what I mean by cardio, like the jumping jacks, all those, like you can name them. This is the first floor, and the second floor is where you do the hot part of it, that is weightlifting and all those. You can imagine maybe abs, you want to make the legs, shoulders, biceps, triceps is up, and I'm going to show you shortly. So what I do mostly is first run at it's called hot treadmill for like 20 minutes, then do some cycling and go to the other side, do some push-ups, do some jumping jacks, all those. Yeah, then for like 40 minutes, then I head up for weightlifting up, which is my best actually. I don't like cardio, it's really hard. Yeah, you can, for those people who gym, it. So that is what I do. I'm going to try and record something, it's a public place to record, maybe tricky. I'm going to do my best to record, then I'll show you guys. See you in my next one. guys, and this is the second part now of the gym, the second floor. Now this is physique, call it like it's now heavy weightlifting. Yeah, it's that called the first part. It continues all the way there. The second part. Guys, it's 5 in the morning. That's why you don't see a lot of people. People are coming in. They've not even put on the music. Yeah, that is an advantage for me. I'm able to vlog. So today I'm doing leg, and I will do a bit of chest. Yeah. So I'm doing leg here. There is a lot of leg machines. You can see them here. A lot of leg machines. So I'm going to try to also film and vlog before a lot of people start coming in. Guys, hope you're going to enjoy this video. It's not easy to work out. So yeah, I'm going to try and film everything. Yeah, so see you guys as I train my leg and my chest before I leave. Yo guys, here is where now I finish our video today. I'm lucky today, I'm completely alone, almost alone in the gym. Remember, in Qatar, 4:30 in the morning AM, the sun is already out. So you will see the sun, you'll think like it's 8 in the morning, but it's morning very early, like 4 o'clock. Yeah, so today I was working out leg and chest. I'm going to try film chest, but I concentrated more on the leg and the time has moved and I feel kind of exhausted. Yeah, so that is it guys. I felt like it's necessary for you to show you how does the gym operate, you know, like how much you saw the price is not really expensive. It's very affordable, though the price varies with different gyms, so you can try if you're into and if you're interested, you know. And it's necessary to keep fit though. I think that's the kind of foods we eat, you know. It's not like the foods that can really make you add some calories a lot. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me, staying with me. I really appreciate for the kind of support that you show me. I'm in Najma, so if you want to come to this gym, it's parking. just next to Dordrecht. For those who don't know where Dordrecht is, it's just near the signal, or if you know Amana supermarket, just next there, or if you know there's another spot I can tell you. Yeah, just there in Najma, if you understand Dordrecht, or if you understand German hotel, just that area, you can ask where is the parking gym. Yeah, it's very affordable. There's a lot of equipment I've shown you guys. You can, yeah, there's a lot of equipment that you can do a lot. Yeah, so guys, if you have enjoyed, tell me in the comment section. And if you want to join the gym also, if you want more direction of the gym, you can contact me, or my numbers, or comment in the comment section. I'm going to show you where the gym is. Yeah, I feel really exhausted. I wish I could continue like filming, but I'm tired. I'm really tired. I want to do a few things, then I head home. Thank you so much again for sticking. If you're new, subscribe. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.